In the last videos of separation of mixers, we used the process of sublimation and as well as evaporation. Now let us discuss one more type of separating methods. Here the main heading is liquid mixers. In the name only they are mixers, means the group of two or more components is called as a mixer. Observe the examples what I wrote on the board: milk and water, alcohol and water, acetone and water, oil and water, kerosene and water, diesel and water. Milk completely mixes with water, alcohol completely mixes with water, acetone completely mixes with water. Oil does not mix with water, kerosene does not mix with water, diesel mixes with water. See, in these examples, one of the liquid is completely dissolved in the another liquid. Now, such liquids are called miscible liquids. In these examples, one of the liquid does not dissolve in the another liquid. Such liquids are called immiscible liquids. If one of them is mixed with the another, we can't separate them easily. Means both of them look like a single substance. Here they are different. So then what happens? Because of the difference in the densities, they forms like a layer. Here there is not much difference in the densities of the liquids. Here there is a difference in the density of the liquids. Because of the difference in the density of the liquids, they forms like a layer one another. Now see the definitions. If one of the liquid is completely dissolved in the another, such liquids are called miscible liquids. If one of the liquid is not dissolved in the another liquid but forms like a layer over the another, is called immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids, depending upon their boiling points, we can separate. Why? Because different type of the substances have different kinds of boiling points. For example, acetone and as well as water is there. Boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius, water is 100 degrees Celsius. Means by taking acetone and water in a crucible and you are going on boiling them at 56 degrees Celsius, first acetone comes outside and at 100 degrees Celsius water will come out. So that is one of the method which we are going to separate the miscible liquids. Means while separating the miscible liquids, we are considering their boiling points. Then what about the immiscible liquids? Because of the difference in the densities, we are allowing a special method that is called separating funnel. By using the separating funnel, we are going to separate the immiscible liquids. Let us do an activity how the mixture of oil and water is separated by using separating funnel. Why? Because the separating funnel method is one of the best method which is used to separate the immiscible liquids. You can observe there is a mixture of oil and water. We can see here oil and water is in a two different kinds of the layers. Why? Because water which has more density is settled down, oil with less density floats on the water. Now I want to separate these components of the mixer. For that purpose, we have a separating funnel. This is the experimental setup of the separating funnel. Separating funnel has a cork, and then at the bottom of the separating funnel, I kept a beaker, and this is the cap of the separating funnel. Now, before starting the activity, we should close the separating funnel, clock of the separating funnel. Then pour the given mixture into the separating funnel. Now if we settle for certain time, we can observe oil is floating above the water. If you wait for certain time, clearly water will be separated from the oil. Open the cork very slowly. If you open the cork very slowly, we can get the water in a dropwise manner. Means we can separate the water from the given mixture. You can observe clearly we are separating the water from the given mixture of oil, and that is whenever it comes to final, make it slowly. Means if you close that, we can separate or we can stop the passage of oil and as well as water. So see, we can say this clearly, water is separated from the oil. Means the mixture of both oil and water is separated by using the separating funnel. This is one of the useful method which is used to separate the oil and as well as water. Thank you.